Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TV settings on your Xbox Series X or S. So if you have some sort of issue, something that's not showing up, there's a couple different ways we can do this. We can go to General, go to TV and Display Options, and then go to the right, go to Video Fidelity and Overscan. And it says Auto Detect right here. Let's just go to HDMI, and the screen's going to go black when we do this. And go to Use Manual Settings, and here's no signal. And this will reset all your TV settings, and we'll have to enter everything in manually. And sometimes this can get 4K to show up, and it can allow you to get higher refresh rates, so you can see 120 option under here. But then we need to go to video mode, and we need to allow 4K under here. So check mark this, and then we should be able to up the resolution a little bit higher too. So you can see it says it doesn't work. If it says it doesn't work, what we can do is just switch back over to auto detect, and that should get 4K to work. So you can try using a manual one. You can try using this under here. You can see I'm back. But when I do this, it removes the option for my refresh rate. Now, another way that we can do this is if we back out under here, and then we go down to System. We want to go to Console Info, and then go to where it says Reset Console. Go to Reset and Keep My Games and App. Now, this is going to reset all the settings on your Xbox. Go to the middle option, and this will reset your TV options. It will reset your login information. So you're going to have to log in with your email address and password, but everything's going to be set to the default settings. You're going to have to log back in with your internet, etc. Do not go to this option right here, reset and remove everything. That will factory reset your Xbox. You want to go to the middle options, reset and keep my games and apps. So you don't have to worry about anything being deleted. It's just going to reset all your settings. If you go to the middle option, very important. Don't go to this option, otherwise you're gonna have to download everything again. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.